How to fix YouTube Shorts glitch problem. So pretty much depends on what kind of glitch you're going through, since there can be a lot of glitches that can happen on YouTube Shorts. So for now, we're just going to clear up the most common YouTube Shorts glitches. So the first thing you can go ahead and try is to just restart the app itself. Like you can just exit the app and reopen it. This usually works for lots of times. Another is you can go ahead into settings and just go ahead and try clearing your YouTube cache. So once you're in your settings, press on app or search for apps, I mean. And once you're in the apps, just search for YouTube. So you can search for YouTube itself, or you can find it manually by scrolling down. But in your YouTube, there will be a clear data button over here. Press on the bottom right and press on clear cache. So corrupted cache data is one of the most common causes. So you can go ahead and do that. So if you press on the clear data option, by the way, you will be logged out. So make sure you remember your details and your login information. Another is you're gonna have to make sure your YouTube itself is on the latest version to prevent any other kinds of glitches. So search for YouTube in your Play Store, and if there's an update option, go ahead and press on update, of course. And if it's not, then that usually means you're on the latest version already. You can also check your internet connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can check on different platforms to see if you're lagging. Then if you are, it's usually an internet connection problem. But one last thing you can go ahead and try is reinstall your YouTube as well. Make sure your device also has good enough space or storage. This will pretty much help YouTube run more properly if you have that free extra space. So if you have files or stuff that you no longer need and you're sure you want to delete them, go ahead and do that so that you can get extra space and storage for your YouTube. But those are a few things you can go ahead and try to potentially help you with this problem. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.